What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Scooby Doo. Let's begin today's lesson on the top center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, go all the way around and then back up. Now I want to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So I'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now I want to pull the pupils towards the inside, so on the left I'm going to draw a smaller circle, line that up on the right, and we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Along the bottom outside of each eye, we're going to add a fold. We're going to come down and bend that in. Now let's move down in the center, add a curve for the nose. So we're going to start on the left, bend this up, and then down. From the ends, round out the nose, and just pull that in towards the center point. I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the nose. From the tip of the nose, let's draw the left side of the muzzle. So we're just going to bend this around, go up on the side, and then bend that in. Let's tuck the right side in underneath. So we're going to step down, curve down towards the same height, go around, and then back in. From the top, let's curve the mouth. Come around and up. And then along the top, we're going to add a small bracket to close this off. Let's add 3 spots on either side. And then in between in the center, we're going to add a curve for the mouth, coming down and up. Step down, add another curve for the lower lip. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now underneath the muzzle, we're going to draw a large curve for the chin. So we're going to start on the left side with a gap, coming down, round out the chin, and then bend that back up. Now over on the right side, we're going to add 2 spots, and then 2 whiskers coming down and then out. Now along the side, we're going to draw the neck. We're going to bend this out and then down towards the bottom, towards the same height. Let's close out the bottom with a curve, coming down, across, and then up. Now we'll come back to the collar after you've drawn this side of the head. So from the top of the eye, let's move out towards the left side. We're going to bend this down, out around the cheek, and then in. Let's go to the right side, coming down and out, and bend that in. Let's leave a gap and draw the top of the head, starting on the left, bend this up in the middle, and then back down. Now let's tuck the ears in behind. So we're going to step in on the left side, we're going to go up and out, and then bend that back up toward the top of the ears. Let's round out the top of the ear, come down the side, and then back in. Now we're going to add that opening across the ear. Starting from the bottom, we're going to go up, round this out, and just tuck that in towards the outside. Let's add the eyebrows. Starting on the left side, curve this up and in, this out, and then down. Now I want to add some thickness to the eyebrows. From the inside, we're going to curve this around above the top of the head, round out the bottom. So we're just overlapping the edge of the head. And then we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now we're going to move down and draw on the collar. Let's start in the center with 2 lines coming down the middle, round out the bottom. Now from the side, we're going to draw a diamond shape, going out, round out the ends, pull it down in towards the middle, and go up towards the right. Now we're going to go back up and draw the edge of the collar. Starting on the left side, we're going to follow the curve of the neck, coming in toward that center ring, and then continue out and up on the right side. From the outside, draw 2 straight lines coming down. Now I'm going to draw the bottom of the collar, following that same curve, coming in towards the side. Let's trace this tag along the inside. Now I'm going to draw the letters SD along the inside, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Scooby Doo. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.